When people think of AccountTECH API, they normally think of API out. This is what people use to feed AccountTECH data to their website, or their accounting program, or if they are building an analytics dashboard. But the real power of the AccountTECH's API engine is API in. With AccountTECH's API tools, you can easily feed data from any API source into Darwin. The API integration setup tools are included with Darwin and are easy to use. With API, you can feed in new records and modify existing records. So let's say you want to add relocation leads from your relocation software or add some new buyers and sellers from your CRM system. Any system that has an API for feeding data out can be used as a source to feed new records in to AccountTECH. You can also use the API to modify existing records. Let's say you have a listing in Darwin that goes under contract, and in some other software that you use, there are lots of details on the selling price, the estimated closing date, co-broke office, buyer, etc. Well, using Darwin's API, you can merge that data into Darwin and update the existing listing and change its status from a listing to a pending sale. As data flows into Darwin, the API is aware if the data coming in is meant to update an existing record, instead of making a new one. The API has a built-in scheduler, so you can automate the data flows, and it even has transformation tools for modifying data when different systems are talking to Darwin. Programmers call this normalizing. So let's say your CRM system uses the word lead to classify potential customers, but in Darwin you choose to have leads tracked using the word prospect. The transformation tools in Darwin can tell the API, when you see data coming in labeled as lead, change the word lead into the word prospect and then import. We all live in a world where we know there will be new software coming in the future that we will want to use, but we don't yet know what that software will be. To prepare for that day, the only thing we can do is to make sure that whatever technology we invest in today has the capacity to communicate with whatever comes next.